Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make detachable braids, in the sense that for you to get this look you don't need to sit in a salon for hours. All you have to do is to make a detachable braid. So I'll show you how, step by step, how to create it. And this, if possible, you can do it on your own. You don't really need any help. But if you can't, maybe you get a little help. All right, keep watching and see how I achieve this look. Now the first thing you need is a crochet net that comes with adjustable strings. Now I got mine from the market as an already made, but there's some person that choose to make theirs themselves, but it comes already made. Now this is clip. These two things are clip. It looks like a brush, but I call them clip because that is what holds down the extension, the already made detachable braids. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my pin to pin down the net so that it will be stable on the head of my dummy and it will be easy for me to work with. Now using a threaded needle, I'll be sewing this clip on onto the net. Now this net has the front and the back, so I'll be sewing it at the back, which is like the inner part of the net. That is where I'll be sewing the two clippings. Now I'm done sewing in the clippings on both sides of the net, and then when sewing, please remember to avoid sewing on top of the rubber. That's the string that you will be pulling when you need to adjust the detachable braid. So after that I went ahead to turn it over to ready it for crocheting of the braid. Now this is the braid that I'll be using. There are lots of brands that has crochet braids depending on the one you want. This is one I'm using. You can choose any one from different brands that has crochet braid or braided crochet. So I went ahead to use my crochet pin, and then I started fixing the braids on the net. Now just the normal way that we normally crochet, hook and pull. And then when hooking, you hook like for you to get a neater version of crochet, you hook at least or at most 2 to 3 holes. That is how much you're going to use. So this is what I'm going to keep on doing until I have filled up the cap, or better still, until I've exhausted the much of braids that I have, until I have all of them on the cap. Now I'm done with the detachable braid. Now this is what the detachable braid looks like. So this is it. The detachable braid is ready. Now the next thing is to ready my hair. I'll be making a simple weaving with my natural hair, no extension added, with 2 dropping forward. That's 1 at the left and 1 at the right. You can choose any type of weaving of your choice, but this is the one I'm choosing, a more simple one. Okay guys, so I'm done weaving the front, and for the back I'm going to be picking them one by one. So for the front part of the hair is weaved and the back part is going to be picked, but of course you can choose your own different style. I'm done braiding, so I went on ahead to pack all the hair at the top of my head and then securing them by braiding them, all of them together. So after braiding them, I went on ahead to use a rubber band. You can use a rubber band or a headband, but I'm using a small tiny itsy rubber band to hold them in place. And then the next thing I went on ahead to do is to put on the detachable braid. Now remember, there are two clip-ons there, so one I'll be using one on the front and then one at the back, meaning that the string will be by the side. And then with the string at the side, I went on to tighten it as much as I need to. When putting on the clip in, be mindful not to allow it put it in such a way it will hurt your scalp or pull your hair. Just put it in such a way that it will be comfortable on your hair. If it's not comfortable on your head, you tend to adjust it until you are comfortable with it. It shouldn't be hurting you. Now, after that, I went on ahead to use the string to adjust it to the extent that I need, based on as tight as I need it to be or as not too tight as I need it to be. And then you knot it twice, knot the string twice so it wouldn't loosen. Then go ahead and hide it by pulling it around your hair. Then the next thing, I'm going to be using some of the braids to go around the root of the head. Then you accessorize as you like. Now the hair is ready. This is the final look. See, it's easy peasy. It didn't take me hours to create this look, but it's giving the vibe of the hair that took hours to make. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the like button. Share to your friends who might need this, and leave a comment of what you think about this video. And like I said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.